What's going on, guys? Today is Saturday. We are getting some overtime today, so today I'm gonna take y'all to the field. Today I have to fix a few welds, some stainless welds. So I'm gonna be giving y'all some tips on how to pull pipe back to square. I know I posted a video before, but of how to keep a stainless pipe square. But today's really gonna be how to fix other people's fuck ups. So today they got me at the shop. So like I said, I'll be taking y'all to the field. I'll be showing y'all how I do this, and I'm gonna also be doing some other things that you're not supposed to do. But you know, if you're in a bind and you need to hurry up and fix something, just go ahead and do it. I don't recommend to do it. This is actually against code, but y'all will see what I'm talking about. This pipe that I'm doing now is not getting x-rayed, temporary. But I still have done this before and on the field whenever I got in a bind. And honestly, I only do this as last resort. But I'll show y'all what I'm talking about in a few. But I also want to show y'all something else. Yeah, check this shit out, man. I fucking wrecked my truck the other day in my apartment garage. I fucking hit a wall when I was turning. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was kind of still half asleep. And in my parking garage, there's 5 floors, and I have to park on the 5th floor since I had a dually. But anyway, I don't know what happened. I thought that I was still in my car, and I didn't open wide enough. You know, when you're in a dually, you gotta whip it to the left, then cut. And I just decided to cut, and I ran right into the wall. But today, like I said, today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I got a homeboy of mine, another rig welder, who said he could pop it out. So hopefully he can fix that for me, man. So I'm gonna go to the spot tomorrow, and he says he's gonna pop it out. So we'll see how that goes. All right. Before I get started, I want to give y'all take a look at my fitter. You know, dressed real nice. You know, $100 glasses. You know, new shirt. But anyway, let's see. As you can see, the pipe right here is out of square like a motherfucker. We already pulled it once. We still got about a quarter left in the 2-foot level. Square. So we're about to heat it up right here. Put some heat on that, and we're gonna get it right. So, whenever y'all guys get on the field, sometimes you do have to fix other people's welds. Usually, whoever messed it up gets to fix it since it's their weld. But in my case, today I was the lucky guy. They chose to go ahead and repair this weld. I'm gonna tell y'all now, the technique that I use is pretty much illegal. It's against code, but it's as long as the QC don't see it, you know. A lot of QCs know that you do this, but as long as the QC don't see it, you'll be fine. But make sure that y'all know what type of environment y'all in. In this case, I was in the shop and there was nobody there, so the method that I used, it was okay. The correct method to use for this is to grind the metal off and recap it. But I'm not gonna be doing all that. It's a waste of time and a waste of energy. Plus, this pipe's not getting x-rayed. So the method that I'll use to pull it back is one dry wash with just heat. Then for my second one, I'm gonna add metal. And the reason why I'm doing this is because it's over a quarter out of square, and by the time whenever I add metal to it, it's gonna pull it back to where I need it to go. Now, if you just needed to pull it 1/8, all you have to do is do 2 dry washes with no metal. Okay, now let's just say it's 1/16 out of square, 1 dry wash should pull it to where you need it to go. This is really important for y'all to understand this, because once you get to the field, the stainless pipe pulls a lot. And let's just say you're welding and you pull it out of square, they're gonna reject it. So make sure y'all know what y'all doing. I'm not sure if the schools tell y'all about this, but I've been on the field and I'm always coming across messed up welds, and that makes you look really bad. You know, whenever y'all get to welding, y'all want to make sure that y'all do the highest quality work and the fastest. You know, I'm all about quality and speed, and that's why I decided to do it this way. And like I said, this is against code, but you know, nobody's gonna know, only my subscribers. So yeah, better not Takashi 69 me. Bam. Así quedó. I just got to my homeboy spot. We're about to see if we can take this dent out right here. So we're gonna take the tire off and try to get back there and take that shit off. This is his rig right here. Matter of fact, this is the first machine I ever used when I first broke out. I didn't have a machine, and he actually let me use it for 3 months, about 3 months I think. So you know, real one. It's a real friend right here. So yeah, I was actually in North Dakota using this one, this machine right here. But yeah, this is his rig. You know, getting everything set up. Hopefully, you know, the oil field picks back up so he can put it to work. We just took out the tires. Now we're about to take out this fender right here. We're gonna take that out. We're gonna try to pop this shit out. So hopefully we're able to do all this shit. Cause I ain't gonna lie, it's fucking with me hard. You know, I'm gonna eventually get it painted. I think I'm gonna go all black, and I'm gonna paint my machine black too. But we never know what's gonna happen with this oil field, so I'm chilling for now.
For the top?
Yeah.
You know those hydraulic ones that have it work?
Mm-hmm.
It'd be nice if we had one.
Yeah, for real.
Like a low pump.
Yeah. So this is what we got so far. I mean, I popped it out. It's not the best, but it's decent for me. I know it's not the best, but it'll do for now. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.